It is hard to deny the fact that from their humble beginnings, drones have exploded into the market, delivering safer, cheaper, and more efficient alternatives to jobs across the industries. Drones have advanced and improved everything from farming and real estate to transportation and delivery. These unmanned aerial marvels ignite the imagination of people around the world, and the truth is that we are only beginning to scratch the surface of their potential. As per a report from Goldman Sachs, drones are expected to become a $100 billion marketplace by 2020. There is no limit to the impact drones will have on the careers of the future, and that is where we come in. We are Drone in Schools, and we organize instructor-led online workshops on drone designing, drone coding, drone building, which the students can learn at ease in the comfort of their homes. Every workshop will provide students with experiential learning to use our specially developed DIY drone kits, drone simulators, and cutting-edge interactive learning platform. This will not only help your kids to expand their knowledge about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, but also open a whole new career path for them even before they leave school. This is your chance to give them the opportunity to apply classroom learning in real life. Enroll now for Drone in Schools programs.